Hey guys, Eric Collier, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Minneapolis Boat Show right here at the Convention Center in downtown Minneapolis, and I love this show. I have so much fun here in the winter in Minneapolis. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some new and exciting products to report to you guys on. And I found something from the original Mattress Factory that we all need to learn about here in the Great Lakes. I'm here with Tyler. Tyler, how are you?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
I'm doing well, real well.
Good.
I absolutely love the idea of having a comfortable mattress on my boat, and you guys do that.
Yes. Yeah, we manufacture all of our mattresses right over in Maplewood, Minnesota. And because we have our own factory, we can build custom size mattresses, custom shaped mattresses. So if you need a bevel cut in there so it can fit into the boat, we can do that. Absolutely.
Yeah. So many boats come with just this horrible foam stuff that is not really comfortable at all. But if I want to upgrade and really enjoy a nice night out on my boat, comfortable night on the boat, you would recommend getting a custom fit mattress for your boat.
Sure, you can invest in an upgraded mattress on there, so it's going to be a better, more comfortable, more durable mattress, and we can make it the custom shape. So that's a really nice part with the boats. But yeah, absolutely.
So one thing that I do need to figure out though is that our viewers are from around all of the Great Lakes area.
Yeah.
And I understand you guys have a couple different locations in the Great Lakes, but how do I, if I'm like say in Toronto or down in Chicago, how do I communicate to you guys what I need so I can have you make it and get it to me?
Well, you can go to originalmattress.com. It's a great resource of information. But also, all we need to build a custom size mattress is to know what the dimensions are, the length and the width. The height too is always something to keep in mind.
Right.
Typically what's always best is if we can actually get the mattress that you have in the boat, we can use it as a template in our factory to custom cut it right to the size that you need. So that's always typically the best case scenario.
But if I can't get you the mattress because I'm like in Chicago or something, I can always get you the measurements of the mattress.
We can get all the dimensions. Yep.
I love it.
Yep, we can talk through that.
You make the mattress for me, send it on down, and I'm good to go.
Yep, we can do that. Absolutely.
I love it. So what is the advantage? Because there are a couple different mattress companies that are out there that specialize in marine bedding. What are the advantages that I would have as a customer to go to the original Mattress Factory compared to all the other mattress companies that are out there?
Well, one of the big things that sets us apart is that we build everything ourselves and we sell it directly to the public. We don't ever sell it to a middleman where it incurs a tremendous markup. So we build oftentimes the same quality, if not better, than what national brands can build, but we sell it at a lower price because it eliminates all of that middleman add-on cost.
So the cost value is definitely one great reason to come see you guys. What about quality? What about fit?
One of the big things that sets us apart is that a majority of our beds are padded on both sides. So you have the option to flip it over to help it wear more evenly and help extend the comfort life of the mattress.
That's good.
Sometimes with a boat that can be a little bit more challenging. If we make it to a custom shape, it might not be able to be flipped right in that same shape.
Right.
But nonetheless, we also work through that to help get you the best that's going to be for your boat.
Yep. I like that. I like that. Now, as far as quality is concerned, what makes your mattress better than somebody else's?
Well, we use higher quality materials. We use higher quality foam, so it's a higher density foam. Our inner springs are actually in our orthopedic line in particular. It's the heaviest inner spring in the industry. It's made exclusively for us, actually. Yep. Couple that with the double-sided nature of the mattresses, they're going to be very, very durable.
So, but you also are able to keep the cost very reasonable because you cut out the middleman. You go factory direct.
Absolutely.
I love that. So there's really no reason if I have need for a mattress on my boat that I don't call you guys and say, hey, make me a mattress.
We always like to say, come here first. Whether you buy from us or not, we want to educate you and show you what goes on inside of a good quality mattress so you can make the decision as far as what's best for your needs.
I love it. Tyler, if I can't make it down to the Minneapolis Boat Show, where am I going to go online to find out more information about your full product lineup of mattresses, like the different styles and shapes and sizes and so forth, plus how I can get a hold of you guys to make me a mattress?
Go to originalmattress.com. There's a contact us page on there if you want to reach out to us. But we have 12 stores in the Twin Cities metro area. Stop on by any of the showrooms near you and we can help you out.
Love it. Thank you so much, Tyler.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Originalmattress.com, guys. That's where you want to go. Find out more information about Original Mattress Factory making a mattress for your boat. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you out on the water.